In the US, the Just Say No campaign was launched as the government's effort to revisit and expand the war on drugs. Meanwhile, the Viva company leveraged the tech explosion of the 1980s to introduce the first random access dedicated drug testing analyzer, the Viva-ETS system. The rise in drug use and abuse meant countries around the world needed more access to testing and more legislation. Viva once again got the call from the US White House, this time to work together with the National Institute on Drug Abuse to set regulations on drug policies for manufacturing, distribution, and use of illegal drugs. As the 80s turned into the 90s, a new kind of drug testing developed as the science around organ transplantation became more sophisticated. Immunosuppressant drug testing was introduced to monitor patients' treatment levels and to help avoid organ rejection. In 1996, the Viva Analyzer was introduced, allowing clinical labs to run all drug testing, ISDs, drugs of abuse, and therapeutic drug monitoring on a single system, which was important for settings that needed to run a large volume of samples. New medical devices allowed drug testing organizations to select the device that best met their testing volume needs. Since drug testing volumes varied widely from setting to setting, sometimes conducted in drug courts, prisons, or the military. In 2011, there was a surge of deaths from heroin. Viva, now part of Siemens Healthineers, launched its 6 a.m. test, which confirms the use of heroin by identifying the heroin metabolite 6-acetylmorphine in urine. In the years that followed, more technology advances came to market, furthering the ability to confront the ever-evolving drug problem. Over the last 2 decades, overdose deaths from heroin, fentanyl, cocaine, and methamphetamines have almost tripled, reaching epidemic proportions in several countries. Siemens Healthineers continues to innovate in drug testing and laboratory instrumentation, and is currently working on making the next generation of drug testing analyzers even more simple and reliable. With more than 50 years of expertise in drug testing, Siemens Healthineers has been a pioneer in the field, advancing testing for drugs of abuse, immunosuppressant drugs, and therapeutic drug monitoring. Siemens Healthineers believes drug testing plays a vital role in delivering personalized treatment and enhancing healthcare in our communities.